Welcome traders. In this video I'm going to step you through the privacy mode in Trading Vault, how to use it and some of the key benefits or use cases for it. So firstly, just from your dashboard, the easiest way to turn it on is to just come down here into the bottom left corner, hit that button, and you'll notice now throughout the entire app, anywhere where there is a dollar figure or personal information, it will be blanked out by this private icon. So you can see here all my dollar figures are gone throughout all the different widgets, all down the side here, all my closed trades, they're covered up. And even down the bottom of the app in our monthly stats widget, you can see it's removed as well. So you can still see your reward risk ratio, you can still see your strike rate, but those dollar figures have been removed. This will be the same in your timeline. So we can jump in here and you can see the dollar figure would be seen just under there. Let's turn it back on for you. So you can see where my dollar figures would be. I can now hide that and it's covered up by the private button. If we step into the trade, same again, our private fig icon is covering up the dollars over here, and again throughout the entire trade itself. So my grosses, my commissions, my risk per trade, my net profit is all covered up, including the sizes if you are recording that. And lastly, just to round it off, if we jump into our stat screen, again, you can see here our profit figure is hidden, whereas everything else, being your strike rate, your reward risk, are all visible. And even down here in the various graphs, you can see the reward risk there is all good to go, but the graph itself for your profit is being covered up. If we unhide it, you can see it there coming in. Okay guys, this is a very handy feature to use for a couple of reasons. First of all, from a personal trading point of view, it's not always good to be focusing on your dollar values. Okay, whether you got a small account or you got a very large account, you just don't want to be influenced by it. You don't want your emotions being played on. It's a handy little trick just to hide those profit figures so that you don't focus on it. You can focus on what's more important in your trading, and that's your reward risk ratio, your strike rates, and everything like that. So a second scenario could be if you have some trading friends or mentors, you can jump in and do a live screen share together, and you can step through your journal so they can look at it, help you out a little bit, and again, they won't see your profit figures. Alternatively, maybe you run a trading school or you host live webinars to try and help teach people. You can jump in there, you can show them your journal live, go through some different trades, and again, you don't have to worry about them seeing all your profit values. So again guys, just to round it off, this is the privacy feature. It's down in the bottom left corner, so you can turn it on and off very easily. Make sure you put in a bit of action, use it, share your journal, discuss things with people. It's just a great way to learn. So use that feature just to hide those dollar values from them. But otherwise, there it is guys. That is the privacy feature in Trading Vault. If you got any questions, leave them in the comments down below.